Today, the bear enters your life as a powerful guide of resilience and contemplation. The bear reminds you that strength is found not only in action, but also in stillness. Just as the bear retreats to quiet of its den to rest and rejuvenate, you too must honor moments of solitude to reconnect with your inner wisdom. Bear teaches that within you lies a wellspring of courage and clarity when faced with challenges. Trust that you already possess the tools to overcome them. Move forward with patience as the bear does, taking each step with intention and purpose. The spirit of the bear also encourages you to embrace the cycles of life. It gently reminds you there is a time to thrive and rest. Trust in these rhythms as each phase brings you closer to your true path. Let the bear inspire you to nurture your body, mind, and soul. Take time today to pause, reflect, and find the answer within your heart. You are as solid and enduring as the bear, prepared to emerge in the light when the time is right. Your affirmation for today: I honor my inner strength and wisdom, trusting in the cycle of life to guide me.